all, this is Ashish Kyal here, and welcome to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. And what are we going to talk today is what is happening with the markets by looking at an indicator which is known as rate of change indicator. Yes, उसे ROC भी कहा जाता है, and it's called as a rate of change indicator. And this indicator essentially tells you what is the overall range of the market. Okay, it works. It's an also an oscillator, and it works brilliantly. This indicator is very important if you are applying it, but you have to apply it very correctly. If you are not able to apply this indicator correctly, you will not be able to make any sense out of it. So ROC के बारे में आप ऑनलाइन पढ़ सकते हैं. You will know what it is, how it is plotted, but what is the correct interpretation of it is what I am going to show it to you today, along with pattern analysis. See, we are going to apply patterns, and we are going to see how is it looking and what is the range of the indicator. So let me very quickly share across the chart with you, and then you will be able to see that very clearly. So if you are seeing this chart, just look at the trend lines which I have drawn on the top over here, and look at the lower trend line and the upper trend line, and look at the indicator at the bottom, which is known as rate of change. And I'm taking a default value of 9 as of now, which is coming here, and I've marked the horizontal lines between the upper and the lower end. So look at that indicator. That is a very superb way of understanding that from where this indicator is reversing again and again, and that is very important. So you will have to also keep an eye on the price confirmation also along with that. When you are looking at an indicator, only that will not suffice. Price confirmation is also very important, and that is also that you have to keep a check on. So let me now explain you in very quickly. So what has happened is, if you see, prices are forming an expanding pattern. Expanding means it breaking the prior low, reversing on the upside. Again, it broke the prior low just on 20th of July and reversed back on the upside. Similarly, it broke the prior high and reversed down. So this is known as a expanding pattern that you are seeing over here. And if you look at the bottom ROC chart, you can clearly see that whenever prices reach towards the upper end of the horizontal line, it reverses on the downside. Whenever it reaches the lower end of the horizontal line, it reverses on the upside along with prices. So if you see a candlestick pattern here with an ROC reversal from the oversold, so this I call as an oversold area. जो नीचे का एरिया है उसे हम oversold कहते हैं, जो ऊपर का एरिया है उसे हम overbought region कहते हैं. So whenever you see reversals in the ROC, plus you get a price confirmation here on the candle, that is the time when you can take those signals in order to initiate trades. So this is helpful. This I'm showing you on a 2-hour chart. This is a 2-hour chart that you can see here. You can do this on an hourly chart. You can do this on a 15-minute chart. You can do on a daily chart. So across you can do that. And currently we can clearly see. So when the ROC again reaches to the overbought zone on the upside, we will know from there is a possibility of reversal happening. As this technique will work as long as market is moving within the range, and the range is expanding on both the sides. So currently the resistance comes here around 16,000 on the upside, and support comes around 15,500 on the downside. That's the range, and it's expanding. So this is an expanding pattern with an ROC. That is what I wanted to share across with you very quickly. And I'm just going to share across the disclaimer. It is, we are SEBI registered research analysts to ensure that, and the result and all forms of trading or investment carries risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Also, you need to understand this session is purely informational purpose and to create general awareness, does not constitute any recommendation or advice. All views expressed are personal. OCL always strategy advisors does not bear any liability for the same. These are the contact details, and for any help or doubts or queries, feel free to reach out to us on this contact. You can take a snap of it. Thank you very much. This is Ashish Kyal signing off. Have a wonderful day and have a wonderful time. Thank you.